Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, fully loaded 1955 Chevy Bel Air. And got the owner here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Fine, thanks, Mike.
Good. What a pretty car.
Yes,
great colors too, huh?
Yes, the color is a rare color. It was an option in 55. It's a pearlized paint, not a flat.
As opposed to the flat. Finished in lacquer. How long have you owned this car?
About 26, 27 years.
Wow. Gorgeous color combination. Jeez. Loaded. Power windows, power seat.
We used to bring it into the, for the car shows, and really it did always win a first place. But as I got older and sort of got tired of going to shows, we just stopped.
Sure. We've owned it a long time, that's for sure. Continental Kit.
And it's got those original 55 wire wheels, are very hard to come by, and there's 5 of them there.
Also has a Hershey National Senior Award too, which is a pretty prestigious award.
The Antique Club, Auto Club of America Senior Division First Place Award. And it is an older restoration.
Anything was done in the early 80s?
Yes, they won the award in 85, so it must have been painted in 83, 84.
Yeah, sure.
And the lacquer does check by, eventually.
Yeah. The lacquer looks fantastic though. I mean, that's the way it was done. Yeah. And I like the fact that it was done early, in the early 80s, because that's when original parts were available and there was no real replacement parts.
Yes.
So it makes it a very original, nice piece.
And obviously all the chrome and everything else, you're taking all those pictures.
It's beautiful, yeah. So what kind of options do we have?
We have power steering, power windows, power seat, the power pack, 4-barrel, as far as the engine's concerned.
Power top?
Signal seeking windows, radio, power top as well. Continental Kit and the skirts and the shields, but the smaller stuff they have as well. Everything, tissue box included.
Yep. Basically, whoever ordered this car checked every single box. It's pretty. There's the national first prize winner. That's our Hershey event.
I'm not sure it's a Hershey.
Yeah. 1985. Pretty cool. Gorgeous stainless chrome. Absolutely beautiful. Just glimmering in the sun. Gorgeous interior.
That's absolutely mint. Perfect.
Beautiful. I was surprised to see the power windows. That's pretty cool. Look at the ornamental chrome all the way around it. So beautiful. Very neat. Power seat. Showing 23,716 miles. Beautiful steering wheel too. It's gorgeous. Really done to a super high standard. You fired up?
Sure.
You got the power pack. So that's your 4-barrel carburetor right there. Power glide transmission. Great, huh? Oh, nice. Let's go for a ride.
Okay.
Nice to top down today, huh? Man, you had to be something else to drive around in this in 55, right?
Absolutely beautiful. And the thumbs up, no matter where you go, it's like attracting
sure.
so much attention.
Definitely. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. Also keep in mind that we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. And check out our website too. It's webeautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your car. Absolutely awesome.